Ready to ditch your wallet and experience the future of payments right here in India? Let's dive into how you can set up and use Apple Pay for seamless and secure transactions, transforming the way you shop. First things first, let's confirm if your device is ready for Apple Pay. Apple Pay works with iPhones that have Face ID or Touch ID, all Apple Watch models, and iPads with Touch ID or Face ID. Next, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It comes pre-installed, so you'll find it right on your home screen. If you've accidentally deleted it, simply download it again from the App Store. Tap the plus button in the top right corner of the Wallet app. This will initiate the card adding process. You might be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID, so go ahead and do that. Now, you have two options. You can either manually enter your card details, or use your iPhone's camera to scan your card. Scanning is generally faster and more accurate. Follow the on-screen instructions to position your card within the frame. Once your card details are captured, review them carefully for accuracy. The app might ask you to verify your card with your bank. This usually involves receiving a one-time password OTP via SMS or email. To use Apple Pay in stores, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. This will activate Apple Pay and display your default card. For iPhones with a home button, double-click the home button instead. Hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless payment terminal. You'll see a check mark and hear a beep when the payment is complete. It's that easy. Enjoy the convenience and enhanced security of Apple Pay for all your purchases. Happy shopping.